Alright, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be doing some simple, easy NFL seasons here. So we're going to be doing little smoky sausages with barbecue sauce on the Blackstone griddle. That being said, let's fire up this Blackstone. Alright, let's turn this on. And we're going to cook it on low. This is what we're using. Little tiny smoky sausages. Oh man, it's going to be good. And this is the favorite barbecue sauce for this channel, Famous Dave's. And we're using Devil's Pit. Alright, low. This little smoky has already come pre-cooked and ready to roll, so it doesn't take very long. Oh, let me add some oil in this. Where are you going? Okay, come back here. So these are one of my favorite things to cook on game days. Either doing it here or doing it in the smoker, which these guys come out really good in the smoker. And this is my first time trying it here on the Blackstone. So hopefully I'm right and these come out delicious. You can serve these as little appetizers. If you guys having a get together, these are really fast. You can buy a couple bags and just make a lot of them. And I will guarantee these will be a hit. Oh, one went. Oh man, he got away. He got away. So got some barbecue sauce. Oh man, they smell good. It smells good. Oh, look at that. So we are ready to go. Two guys right there. We're going to turn them off. Alright, let's give them a taste. Alright guys, here we have it. Oh my god, they look good, huh? They look good. Ooh, they smell good. Look at that deliciousness. See if I don't burn myself. Oh. The barbecue sauce is what makes it. Wow, this is good. Make sure you guys give this a try. You're gonna like it. Especially the game days. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that boom, hit that subscribe button for more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss any of this. And check out these videos. You guys will like them. They're good. All right. They're not bad. We'll see you guys next time.